Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Ritika. In today's video, we are starting new series of building a directory website using Beaver Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. So let's get started. You will first need a WordPress website. If you haven't set that up yet, check out our step-by-step video guide on how to create a WordPress website. It will walk you through everything you need to know. Once your WordPress website is ready, it's time to dive into building our directory website. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do it using the Beaver Builder and the GeoDirectory plugin. Step 1. Install and set up the GeoDirectory plugin. Step 2. Install the Beaver Builder plugin. So back to WordPress dashboard and then plugins. Then add new plugins. Then search GeoDirectory, install and then activate. After activation, you will be directed to 5-step setups of GeoDirectory. So we are selecting here default, OpenStreetMaps and then continue. Then taking the default address and then continue. So it is offering 3 free plugins and remaining are the paid ones. So we will be installing them from here. So after installing these GeoDirectory free add-ons, we will click on continue. Then for test purpose, we will be inserting some dummy data from here. So we will be importing 10 data from here. After import, we will be continuing from here. So you will be directed to a page stating, awesome, your directory is ready. So we are done with the directory wizard setup. Coming back onto the WordPress dashboard. So our next step will be to install the Beaver Builder. So again going on to plugins and then add plugins. And then upload plugin. Since we are using the paid version of Beaver, so we are uploading its plugin from here. After installation, click on activate plugin. Then it's activated now. So now you can see that below appearance, Beaver Builder can be seen. So we have installed, activated and done with the setup. So we are done with the installation, activation as well as setup of GeoDirectory and Beaver Builder. So in the next video of this series, we will see how to create header and footer customs using Beaver Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the videos at earliest. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching.